If you're someone who finds AI scary, you might want to skip this video because it's going to change your mind. Many people believe that creating something smarter than a human is impossible. While there is evidence to support this, we have built supercomputers with greater mental capacity than humans. Unfortunately, these machines are massive and it takes countless transistors to replicate the brain's power, making it inefficient in terms of space and energy. But there's a new development that could change all that, and it's really creepy. Scientists have been able to take human brain cells and create an organoid, a 3D scaffold populated with these cells. These mini-human brains are capable of learning much faster than AI and appear to be better at solving complex problems, just like the human brain. What's even crazier is that they've been able to put these mini-brains inside rat brains and show that they can respond to visual stimuli. With an organoid brain, you could have an entire room filled with brain matter, essentially creating a massive supercomputer. People are already asking questions about the ethical implications of using someone's brain matter for a supercomputer. If it's made up of your DNA, would it be conscious? Would it be you? These are all scary questions to consider. What do you think?